Hello and welcome to our video on PFA aligned valves press. In this video, we will be discussing what PFA aligned valves press is, its applications, and the manufacturing process. What is PFA aligned valves press? PFA aligned valves press is an industrial machine used to manufacture PFA aligned valves. The machine is designed to mold the PFA lining onto the inside of the valve body, creating a protective barrier that resists corrosion and erosion caused by harsh chemicals and abrasive materials. The PFA lining is also designed to provide a smooth surface that helps to maintain a consistent flow of material. Applications of PFA lined valves press. PFA lined valves press is commonly used in industries such as chemical processing, pharmaceuticals, water treatment, and oil and gas. It is used to manufacture PFA lined valves that are ideal for applications that require precise control and resistance to chemical corrosion. PFA lined valves are often used to control the flow of corrosive and abrasive materials, such as acids, alkalis, and slurries. Manufacturing process of PFA lined valves press. The manufacturing process of PFA lined valves press involves several steps. First, the valve body is cleaned and prepared for the PFA lining. The PFA lining material is then loaded into the machine and melted to form a liquid. The liquid PFA is then injected into the valve body using a mold. The mold is designed to create the shape of the PFA lining, which adheres to the inside of the valve body as it cools and solidifies. The finished PFA lined valve is then removed from the machine and inspected for quality and consistency. Advantages of PFA lined valves press. PFA lined valves press offers several advantages over traditional valves. The PFA lining provides excellent resistance to chemical corrosion, which helps to extend the lifespan of the valve. The smooth surface of the PFA lining also helps to maintain a consistent flow of material, which is important in applications that require precise control. PFA lined valves press is also a cost-effective solution for manufacturing PFA lined valves in large quantities. In conclusion, PFA lined valves press is an essential machine in industries that deal with corrosive and abrasive materials. The machine is used to manufacture PFA lined valves that offer excellent resistance to chemical corrosion and precise control of material flow. As a manufacturer of PFA lined valves press, we take pride in delivering high-quality machines that meet the needs of our customers. We hope this video has been informative, and thank you for watching.